Hi guys, today I see this kitchen faucet with pull down sprayer for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice because it comes with everything you need to install it, okay? You see it has this chrome finish, which I think it's really nice. And it has 3 different sprayer modes, okay? Depending on what you need. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works, okay? Let's go! Okay guys, as you can see it's already installed. I think it looks really nice. It has a wake so you can pull this down and it will go back up. As you can see. Okay. And to turn it on in the hot water, you turn it like this and open it, and to the cold water, obviously back and down, okay? Which I think it's really nice, really easy to use. And you have 3 sprayer modes, okay? This is the stream, the first one. This kind of like shower head, and as you can see, a swiping so you can clean better surfaces in your sink like this, okay? It's actually really easy to use, really convenient. You have the three sprayer modes options, and I think it's really nice. All the materials first of a very nice quality, and it's nice. It has 3 sprayer modes really easily, okay? So I would really recommend it. It was a really easy installation and it looks really beautiful, okay? See you!